Welcome to What Am I? To play the game, you will have 4 clues and 10 seconds to guess the correct animal. Choose from one of the 4 animal pictures. Good luck! What am I? I am great at climbing trees. I like to get up to mischief. I have a tail. I love to eat bananas. What am I? Did you know there are around 260 types of monkeys in the world? Most of them live in trees, except for a few who prefer the ground, like baboons. What am I? I am small and fast. I like to dig tunnels underground. I love to jump and hop really high. I begin with the letter R. What am I? I am a rabbit. Rabbits are amazing athletes. They can jump as high as 90 centimeters, that's almost a meter, in just one leap. And like cats, when rabbits are happy, you might hear them make a little purring sound when they're content and relaxed. What am I? I love to swim. My stings can be painful. I am not really a fish. Some of my kind can even glow in the dark. What am I? I am a jellyfish. Did you know that jellyfish have been hanging around in the ocean even longer than dinosaurs? That's pretty cool. What am I? I live in hot places. If I feel threatened, I might spit. I can survive 15 days without water. My humps don't actually store water. What am I? I am a camel. Camels' humps don't actually store water. Instead, they store fat, which is very useful when a camel needs extra nutrition because they can convert the fat in the hump into food and water. The humps also help keep animals nice and cool. What am I? I live in cold places. I am white and black. Some of us can sleep standing up. I make nests for my eggs. What am I? I am a penguin. Penguins have a lovely thick layer of blubber to help keep them warm. Their feathers are coated in a type of oil which helps make them waterproof. Now that's handy if you're a penguin. What am I? I love flowers. I can fly. I have a queen. I make something that is very sticky and tasty. What am I? I am a bee. Honeybees are very important. They pollinate flowers, fruits, and vegetables, which helps them grow. So we love our honeybees. What am I? I might live on a farm. I love to trot, gallop, and jump. I love eating hay. I can give you a ride. What am I? I am a horse. Horses are very friendly creatures who find safety in numbers. That means they like to stick with their herd and other horses, and they develop very close bonds. Did you know horses are related to rhinos? Wow! What am I? I have wings. I like to hunt at night. I love to eat mice. I have strong claws. What am I? I am an owl. Did you know owls make lots of different sounds, not just the hoot hoot that you might recognize them with? They also make screeching noises, they squeak, hiss, and some whistle. Well done! I hope you enjoyed this game of What Am I? Don't forget to like and subscribe to Treehouse Learning for more fun games and lessons with us. Hope to see you soon. Bye for now.